Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here we usually talk about esports and money. So, you've got some extra cash, enjoy playing CS, and notice that skins are becoming more expensive year after year. So, why not buy a pricey knife, have fun playing with it, and then sell it for a profit? Sounds like a fantastic idea, right? In this video, I'll break down the pros and cons of investing in CS skins to help you make more informed and confident decisions when spending your money. Let's dive into it. Con number 1. You don't actually own the skin. Valve's subscriber agreement states that skins are their property. According to Valve, you're merely paying for a license to use your virtual items. While it's challenging to define CS skins in legal terms, you might be hesitant to invest in license rights. This means that legally speaking you own nothing, which could be important if something unfavorable happens to Valve. Keep this in mind if you are considering long-term investments. Con number 2. Prices increase only if the player's base grows or remains consistent. You are probably familiar with supply and demand, right? So, skin values will rise if the number of players consistently grows or stays the same. Steam charts show that the player base is healthy, but a sudden change could spell trouble. Please remember that if the game loses 30% of its audience, your skin values might drop as well. Investing in Steam items means investing in the game's future. Valve isn't publicly traded, but you can treat average skins like stocks. The only difference is that you actually don't have a stock, but only the license to show it. Con number 3. Market knowledge is essential, as not everything grows in value. Consider this example, the USPS skin called the Traitor. A year ago the price was $92 and now it's around 83. So you need to understand the market and know what to buy. Bear in mind that prospective skins and stickers are purchased by the Steam investor community who supply the demand. Con number 4. Legal issues in some regions. In 2016, Washington State ordered Valve to end Counter-Strike skin gambling. The state's gambling commission demanded that Valve stop allowing the transfer of gun skins for gambling through Steam. Loot boxes are also banned in the Netherlands and Belgium. It's hard to predict what your country might do with skins and loot boxes. While they may not be able to track your investments, it's not a promising sign for gaming investors. Con number 5. It's impossible to legally buy or sell skins over $2,000. Valve doesn't take responsibility for third-party markets, and your Steam account could theoretically be banned for using them. If you want to maintain a clean investor reputation, it's a good idea to purchase items directly from the Steam market. However, you can't buy or sell items priced over $2,000 there. So, if you want a $15,000 Dragon War, you'll have to use a third-party market, increasing your chances of being banned. This is somewhat like a black market for license rights. Before buying anything, research what you want to buy, how you want to buy it, and how you plan to sell it. These factors can significantly impact your investment journey. Con number 6. Random bans. Keep your account safe by not logging in from other computers and ensuring that your family members and friends do not have trade bans and don't use the same PC as you. However, you can still be banned if you accidentally bought an item from a scammer. You never know who is on the other side of the market. Additionally, someone could buy reports for your Steam account or frame you in other ways. Even Steam support can potentially scam you. Allegedly, millions of dollars worth of CSGO items were stolen and sold off by Steam support staff or with their conclusion over the past 2 years. Though I can't verify this information, it's worth noting. Investing in traditional assets allow you to protect your property in court. In this case, you don't own anything and therefore you can't protect it. Con number 7. High fees and liquidity issues. If you choose to invest in Steam items, consider how you will sell them. Steam fees are relatively high, around 13%, and you can't withdraw money from Steam, which poses a problem. To sell an item, you will need to use a third-party market, which has its own fees, typically around 10%. Factor in these fees because if your skin price rises by 10%, it means you are back to square one. Liquidity is another issue. Selling an expensive skin is not easy, as people typically take their time making such purchases. Be prepared to spend several days or even weeks selling your items at a favorable price. Additionally, you usually can't sell your items instantly if you need cash immediately, as fast buy prices tend to be 30–40% lower. Taxation questions. If you make a significant profit, it could be challenging to explain the source of the money to your tax agency. Even if you are willing to pay all the taxes, it's not straightforward. Investigate this further if you plan to invest a large sum, for example over $10,000. Con number 9. Updates. Updates could easily kill the game. I wanted to sell my most expensive skins before the CS2 announcement. It went well, especially for skin prices. However, you never know what might happen with the game. The community often expressed dissatisfaction with updates and blame publishers for nothing. This happened when CSGO was announced 11 years ago, and it could happen again with CS2. Fortunately, investors can breathe easy for now. But you never know. Before the pros section, let me introduce myself. My name is Max, and I'm a product owner at Esports Transfers. If this video goes viral, check out my website where we evaluate the market values of the CSGO players. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel so I am motivated to create more content for you guys. Feel free to reach me out on Twitter or leave a comment. I am also happy to answer any questions you have. Now let's jump straight to the pros. The first and most important pro is that it's a fun investment. I have about 5% of my portfolio in CSGO skins and I enjoy using them in the game. You can spend $1,000, play games with friends and potentially sell the skins for a profit later. Sounds like a dream, right? If you are looking for some fun, investing in skins is a great option. But don't invest more than you are willing to lose. Apply the same rule to crypto or any other investment. Pro number 2. It sometimes grows. My portfolio has increased in value and my skins are worth more. But remember, you need to understand the market and know what to buy. If you want a video on researching and selecting good skins, let me know in the comments. Pro number 3. No taxes. Yeah, I remember that I just mentioned the taxes issue in the con section, but you can avoid taxes by selling skins for crypto. I don't recommend you to do so, but it's still an option in most countries. Pro number 4. CS is the basic game for the majority of players. I mean, that is the game you play consistently. For example, PUBG was not a basic game for its community, and people left it and went back to play CS. Yeah, you can still try Valorant, Call of Duty, etc., but players do not sell their skins just because they play different games sometimes, okay? Moreover, the community is old enough and average age is increasing year by year, because you become 1 year older, and people who were students 5 years ago now can afford a $1,000 skin. So even if the player base is on the same level, skins can really rise in value. Summary. Investing in CS skins should always be considered a high-risk investment. When you hear about someone making a huge profit, they are simply reaping the rewards for taking the risk. It's similar to the stock market. Higher risks equal higher rewards. But if you enjoy playing CS and appreciate skins, you might consider spending a bit more on them. In most cases, it's better to buy a new knife than an iPhone for your girlfriend. Thanks for watching, bye!